And 3, 2, 1. Yes. Back up in the thing, 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 you feel me? Back up in the thing. All right, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video, and as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel me now? Whew, another day, another sneaker pickup. Hashtag it, throw it on the Twitter, you know what I'm saying? Spam it in the comment section down below. I have a banger for you today, a definite banger. Now, before we even get into this video, please check out the socials. The Instagram and the Twitter is going to be at I'm Chris Briggs and at I'm Chris Briggs 2. Check out that second Instagram. Check out that second Instagram. Because if you really want to get into like the personals of what's going on with me, that's the one for you. And I try to follow everybody back, unless you like a fake account. I ain't following you back then. But if you're a real account, I'm gonna follow you back. Also, one last update, bro. I have a vlog channel, Chris Briggs Vlogs. I will be throwing vlogs up on there. By the time you're watching this, there's probably already vlogs on that channel. So go check that channel out, man. I'm going to be bringing my big boy, my big baby, my nice camera. You see me? So I'm going to be bringing that one with me. And whenever I need to do the spontaneous shot, I'm gonna be throwing on the Canon G7X. You feel me? But when it comes to the sneakers that I picked up today, definitely got lucky. I got ultra lucky, and you guys will really understand what I'm talking about now. So without further ado, here we go. Here we go. Here we have it. You could probably already see the box through the bag right now, but we're still gonna do the countdown. So on the count of 3, we're going to showcase the shoes. And 3, 2, 1. Yup. I sure did. Yup. 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 Now, some of you guys might know what this sneaker is. Some of you guys might not know what this sneaker is. But to those of you that do know, if you know, you know. And to those of you that don't know, the sneaker that I picked up for today is the Air Jordan 5 Top 3. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. You can't go wrong with a little bit of top 3 action, you feel me? So for today's sneaker pickup, I had to give it to the Air Jordan 5 Top 3. Now, a lot of you guys might be asking yourselves like, yo, Chris, all right, so I'm confused because I literally just saw you get them bad boys on the sneakers app. How do you have them already? Remember in that video, do you remember at the specific point in the video where I was like, even if I don't get the shoe today, even if I don't get it on the sneakers app, I'm still gonna find a way to get my shoe. Either way, bro, I'm gonna find a way to get my shoe. I'm telling you. Either way, I'm gonna find a way to get my shoe. Like, I ain't, you should best believe, buddy. I wasn't lying to you. I was dead serious. Did you see the seriousness on my face? I'm telling you. Either way, I'm gonna find a way to get my shoe. I was so serious. I was like, bro, I'm going to find a way to get the shoe. I still found a way to get a shoe that same day. Looking at this sneaker right here, bro, I'm just gonna give a quick little overview, not a real review yet. I love them. I think this sneaker is fire. I still do have another pair coming in. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I might double up, but then at the same time, I might let them go. I'm just not sure yet. But these things are fire. And when it comes to the top 3 Air Jordan 5, you guys are probably wondering, okay, why is it even called the top 3? So this shoe has the Air Jordan 5 grape tongue. It also has the black metallic suede on that bad boy also. And looking at the midsole goes from fire red, from like the fire red type of look. But it also has a silver midsole right here, like the silver flames. I'm so confused as to why they put that silver there, but you feel me? I'm not complaining. I think that is dope.
Correction. The silver flames are also from the metallic 5s.
Bottom of the shoe right here, bro. Got the red Nike with the grape logoing right there. I just think that these are super dope. One thing I do have to say though, a lot of people did not like this shoe. A lot of people didn't like this shoe. I asked a lot of people why they didn't like it, and a lot of people said that tongue threw everybody off. But I'm going to be honest with you, if this sneaker didn't have that tongue, I would not have it. I wouldn't be copping the sneaker at all. You can still buy this shoe right now. You know, the shoe is restocking, and the shoe is also still sitting some places. If you want this shoe, you can still try to get it. One thing that I will say though is it is not going to last forever. This sneaker will sell out. You know, it will sell out. It's not going to be like a FIBA 4 that's just going to sit for months and months and months at a time. It's not going to be like a Denim 6, which is going to sit for months and months at a time. No, this sneaker right here, an Air Jordan 5 like this with the Nike Air on the back, these are about to go. They're flying. They're not going to be here forever. So if you want your pairs, I recommend that you grab them now. But without further ado, the sneaker that I picked up for today was the Air Jordan 5 top 3. How you guys feel about these? You guys think that these are dope or trash? Let me know in a comment section down below. Look at these, bro. Look at these. Like, are you serious? Like, are you for real? Like, the materials are in dope condition. These materials are crazy fire. But when it comes to this video, that's the end. It was the Air Jordan 5 top 3. Let me know how you feel about those in the comment section down below. As you guys already know, I got more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon. I got a lot of stuff I got to do. Also, check out Chris Briggs vlogs, because we over there, bro. We over there. If you want to get to know me on a personal, because over the years of me creating content, a lot of y'all have gotten to know me. But if you want to like get to know me, like, head over to the vlog channel. I'm gonna try to put that in the description box down below. But more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon. And all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. And Chris Briggs signing out. Quick, easy, simple, just like that.